Alright, let's get ready to land.
Grand Prairie Airport, it's Charlie Fox, that's right, Grand Prairie Radio, it's Charlie Fox, Victor Alpha X-ray, Cessna Conquest. We're approximately 13 nautical miles to the south here, planning runway 07, we're VFR now, and we'll be joining for a right-hand base, runway 07, full stop, and we should be at the field in about 5 minutes.
Victor Alpha X-ray, Grand Prairie, good morning, Roger, runway 07, wind 090 at 9, altimeter 3012. Traffic working about 2 miles south of the field, helicopter very low level, and currently conducting run-ups and then funding circuits for 07 at Paris Cessna 172s.
Roger that, and are they their left-hand runway 07?
Eventually, yeah, it'd be left-hands for 07.
Roger that, okay. We'll plan to join actually no, we'll plan to join right-hand base, runway 07, Victor Alpha X-ray.
Yeah, Victor Alpha X-ray, Roger, yeah, right-hand visual work fine.
That sounds good. You know, just for practice sake, I'll just join the downwind, right-hand Victor Alpha X-ray, why not?
Victor Alpha X-ray, Roger.
Grand Prairie Radio, Golf X-ray.
I've flown a circuit for a while. I shouldn't say that. I've flown
Roger, traffic miles to the southeast.
a proper circuit for a while. It's always been visual approaches.
Switch Cessna, estimating the field in about 4 minutes.
Now you got the airport there, if you can see it, straight ahead there. I'm going to warm the cabin up a little bit more. It is a little bit cool in here.
Bravo 207.
X-ray, Roger,
Alright.
taxi up 30 for 07.
Good. Anti-collision lights are on. We did our descent checks already, so we're just going to do a flow check here, make sure everything's good. We fixed our fuel imbalance. We had to cross-feed fuel a little bit earlier. There's actually a video on my channel about that, showing you how we do that. Pressurization is looking good. You can also check out the membership side there of the channel too, or explain how pressurization works. But we're going to be depressurized here, 1,000 feet above airport elevation.
Yankee Romeo, Roger.
So that we land without the airplane being pressurized. Very important.
And 5 miles southeast, finding right downwind for 07.
Now, there's runway 07 going this way. Well, not going this way, but the runway's, you know, east-west. And there's another runway here, the bigger one that crosses over there. That's runway 30, but we're not landing on that one. So let's keep descending down here. We're a little bit high. We gotta get down to 3,300 feet. 200 knots. Let's bring the power back a little bit more. Do a little turn here.
Victor Alpha X-ray, that low-level helicopter is the one that's 11 o'clock, about 2.5 miles, just working about 2 miles southwest of the airport there. Again, just at treetop heights.
Roger that. Okay, thanks, Victor Alpha X-ray.
Okay, let's join for downwind here. Clear to the left, and everything's looking good here.
Grand Prairie Radio, it's picked up. Actually, we're just joining for the downwind now. We're just descending to 3,300.
Victor Alpha X-ray, Roger. On those two Cessnas, they'll taxi up runway 30 to hold short of 07.
Roger, thanks. We'll try to keep it in tight here. Victor Alpha X-ray.
Okay, we gotta get some flaps in here. It's a little bit of trim. Things looking good. I set 070 on our heading bug here. Speed's good, let's get one stage of flap. Props coming up. At 3,300 feet now. Yeah, we can get the landing gear. Speed's good, high pressure lights on, gear unlock lights on, taxi light come on. We got 3 green, down the mirror, mixtures, props, and switches are all set. Let's make this turn.
Grand Prairie Radio, Victor Alpha X-ray, we're just in the base turn here now. Runway 07, full stop.
Victor Alpha X-ray, Roger.
Grand Prairie Radio, Golf X-ray Romeo Max, entering
Okay.
30 to hold short at the intersection.
Looking good.
X-ray Romeo
Let's
Max.
open these up. Yeah, she's a little bit windy here. Not at the field, but a little bit of a push there. We were battling an 80 knot headwind flying up here this morning. Alright, we're going to be landing into the sun. It's never fun. Well, I lied. This is, I didn't keep it tight. But that's okay. So we're going to exit at the end of the runway here anyways, so we'll just fly the airplane down, and we can get out of the way for these other Cessna 172s that are going to be doing circuits. Sorry everybody, this is going to be tough on the video here because of that sun. Lots of glare. Alright, let's get one more stage of flaps below 145. Gear, props, flaps, and we're short final here now.
Zulu Yankee, Roger.
Got the radio, Victor X-ray, short final, runway 30, we'll exit at the end.
Victor Alpha X-ray, Roger, check final for 07, wind 090 at 10.
Check that, thanks. Correction, Victor Alpha X-ray.
Alright, runway looks clear, everything looks good. There's 120 knots. Let's start walking the power levers back here. Just a
radio,
little bit.
hello, Encore 3615.
Encore 3615.
Down, everything's feeling good.
Good morning, we're still working with Center here, just after descent, showing about 10 minutes out.
There we go.
From Grand Prairie, we're planning our RNAV 30 via
There's flyer down here.
Encore 3615, Roger, runway 30, wind 070 at 9, altimeter 3011. Traffic left-hand circuits, runway 07,
we'll keep the speed up here.
Cessna 172, and the second one planning one circuit and then to the southwest, another 172. Give you an update closer in.
Okay, check that circuit traffic and give an update when we're closer in, and we have information echo. I'll talk to you on the handoff center, Encore 3615.
Encore 3615, Roger.
Okay, and our downtime is 16:25. Pressurization can come off.
Carp Radio, this is
our helicopter,
Golf Papa Lima.
Golf Papa Victor Lima, Grand Prairie.
Pitot static.
Just off from the bridge to the east of the zone, climbing up to 3000 inbound for happy gas.
Papa Victor Lima, Roger. Wind 100 at 9, altimeter 3011. Traffic, be left-hand circuits, runway 07, Paris Cessna 172s, squawk 0364.
Check the remarks on the traffic, squawking to 0364, Papa Victor Lima.
Papa Victor Lima, Roger. And you're able to come in south of that runway 0725 center line?
I will come in south of 0725 center line.
Roger.
Corporate radio, Victor X-ray, we're just taxiing in here to happy gas.
Victor Alpha X-ray, Roger.